In the journey of marriage, conflicts are inevitable. It's normal to feel hurt or offended by your spouse at times. However, how you deal with your spouse, it's crucial not to carry that anger to bed with you. Holding on to grudges can have serious consequences. To sleep with unresolved issues can weigh heavy on your heart and mind. The last thing you want is to wake up with regrets. Life is unpredictable, and none of us know what tomorrow may bring. Don't risk leaving things unsaid or feelings unresolved. Take the step to address the issues with your spouse now. Forgive and let go of resentment. Don't allow negative emotions to fester, as tomorrow might never come. Remember, it's never too late to heal and strengthen your relationship. Address the hurt today for a brighter tomorrow. Don't let anger ruin what you have. Address conflicts today for a happier tomorrow. Avoid retiring to bed with unsettled ill feelings. Choose love, communication, and forgiveness for a harmonious relationship.